lot. I love driving actually, no matter where I'm at. I like driving myself. I don't trust these drivers down here anyways. Thing about the drivers in Jamaica, they don't put safety first, you know? That's why I don't recommend anyone like really like if you don't really know the person, let them drive you just anywhere, you know. There's a big hole right there. You do have some good ones, but some of them is just reckless. They just take a lot of risk, and that's the problem. Why I said it's not safe driving with some of them. Most of the kids seem like they're out of school already. It's a few of them that still going to school. I think the high schoolers, but the younger ones, I think they're out of school. It's like an obstacle course driving in Jamaica sometimes, especially when you get to this point. And the weirdest thing, the place gets so congested once you get into Montego Bay section. Because for some strange reason, the roads are way smaller than Manchester and St. Elizabeth. They're way tinier, which are a little bit more hilly. I'm going through anyways, but I'm going way over there. Sometimes they come around you and swear that it's like a something seriously happened, and it's just somebody just don't want to go into a damn pothole. All of that for nothing. They'll hold a whole traffic up for just one little hole where they're still gonna fall into. abruptly just stop on you. Especially that Mitsubishi in the middle. See what I'm talking about? It's like a full-blown almost stop for them. I feel like I'm getting somewhere, I'm getting nowhere. Act as if they're gonna bust a tire or something. Take a whole 100 years just to go over a damn hole that they're gonna still fall into. The shit's so wide, it's not gonna stop them from going in it. Look at this one. He's miles away from the rest of the fucking traffic. Look at this shit. I gotta get away from him. He's a straight nuisance. Motherfuckers driving like a fucking 5 miles an hour going around the fucking bend.